Alright, well, the ETX has quit again. It ran for 15 minutes or so. It's just been so testy. But I'm glad I got it to run again. In the video where it was just running, you probably saw me tightening the head gasket. Because I don't know why it wasn't snug before, but it was definitely visibly leaking on the head gasket. So I snugged that up a little bit while it was running, and it started to run quite a bit better right away. This makeshift cooling system worked, and I used this big flavor injector syringe I got at the grocery store to try and pull enough water through it or air through it to get most of the water out. Since it was leaking anyway on the pump here, I need to pull it apart. So there we go. Dry that out a little bit. Container I used for my water dish. Anyhow, yeah, the ET1 continues to be the best of the engines. Runs real slick. Runs really well all the time. Has needed the least amount of work, even though I had to check that head to make sure the head was actually sealing against the cylinder liner instead of letting it leak past. The ET7 here is running pretty nice now that I took that extra governor spring off, so it slowed down. The ET6 was running hot today, so I will look into that. I might just pull the spring a little bit on it. A lot of people on YouTube cut the springs in there to slow it down. But the spring is in this housing here on the fly ball, so I'll have to open that up and see if I can get into it. Yeah. Otherwise, pretty good day. The ETX, just a pain in the butt all the time. So yeah, I don't know. It's kind of frustrating. The ETX, every time there's an issue with it that I try to deal with, and I'm finding something and it gets worse. So as fun as that ETX is, and as much as I like vertical engines, it's not nearly as much fun because there's so much fighting with it. But yeah, call that the end of the day, and see y'all next week.